think that was a little Jake. Had a small nub of a beard. I wanted to take the shot, but I want to get something bigger. Also, I couldn't tell if it was a Jake or not. No visible beard. The head was blue. I mean, it looked blue. The camera couldn't get a good focus. That's pretty cool though. He was just right there. And it flew down right in front of me. 15-20 yards. That was pretty exciting. But I want a big Tom. I'm tired of these small little guys. I'm not gonna take that shot. I'm not gonna take it because I think I saw a little nub of a beard. And I think I saw the tail fin was like black and brown. But it's just so hard to tell. It's a head. It's behind me. Tons of turkey. Just had a hen come up behind me. A lone hen. That's 2 turkey within like 5 minutes already. Need a big Tom now. Well, guys, as you saw, I mean, he was probably like, it probably wasn't 40 yards, probably like 35 yards. And, yeah, it could have been 40 yards. He never came into the edge, but the hen, I called the hen in, and she came 5 yards. I mean, she was literally at that little pine tree right here, and she came right across. And then the strutter was about 50 yards on that side still, and then you could hear him spitting and drumming and gobbling when I started yelping with this hen, and she started purring and cutting, and then that gobbler finally showed up, and he kept his distance. He stayed within those trees. I can't believe how smart they are, man. I mean, if he would have came out to the opening, he would have been a dead bird. But so he came out, right? And I think he had caught a glimpse of my camera or something, or me, most likely my camera, and he caught a glimpse of it, and he just sat there looking, and he turned around and started jogging away, and I'm like, damn it. So I had to take the shot. I mean, regardless, it was a 40-yard shot through brush, and it looked like he got spooked and started running away. So I had to hope for the best. I mean, as soon as I took the shot, I didn't see him anymore, so I thought I dropped him, but I didn't hear no flopping, so. Oh my god, that was awesome though. I mean, 2 days without hearing gobbles, and finally we get some gobbles. You guys heard it. 2 gobblers, one on this side, one on that side. That's literally private, and when they're on the edge like that, the only reason why I had to take the shot too is because they're on the edge of private, and anything that's borderline next to this little opening clearing here is public. So you can hunt this little clear strip, and like maybe 10 yards inside the in the trees. So I had to take the shot. He ran towards private because that's all private there. I can only go in about 10 yards inside there until it becomes private, but anything before that and 10 yards in the trees is all public. And so they came from private. The hen crossed perfectly right in front of me. Me and her were gobbling that dude off, and he just never committed, never came in all the way. Oh man, this freaking gun kicked the heck out of me. I freaking fell back. Fell backwards. I was sitting at an awkward position where I was on like one butt leaning up against a tree, and so when I shot, I was like, ah! Oh shoot. Yeah, so that was awesome. You know, I'm not disappointed. I am disappointed, yes. I have to go another year missing a bird, but I had to take that shot because, like I said, he was gonna go back to private. So I drop him there, I'm good. But he never came through. In the camera, you can see that he kind of shows himself, but I'm behind this pine tree, and the tree that he's in front of is actually blocked, is obscuring my view. So the camera's off to my right about here, and I'm over here. So the camera's here, I'm here. The camera saw him perfectly. I could see in the screen. I kept peeking over at the screen, and then when I was looking at him through my red dot, my vision was obscured by the pine tree in front of me and that tree he was standing next to. So I couldn't take a shot. And by that time he started walking away. I tried to zoom in, right? He walked away. Sure enough, I had to take that shot. What a bummer.